This is my Hoover ONEPWR Emerge Plus, and today I'm going to review you this vacuum. Let's tuck the ONEPWR battery in and let's start cleaning. This vacuum is not bad on tile floor, but you have to make sure you have to use the lower setting and not any higher settings. Now we're going to use the Emerge on rug. Now with the higher mode, we're going to do with the higher mode. Now we're going to do the highest mode. Now we're going to vacuum this hard floor and let's see how it goes. And it performs great on this hard floor. Okay, so that was the ONEPWR Emerge Plus. Hope you guys like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.